3, 2, 1. What up everybody and welcome to a new video on Dragon 3D Interactive. Today we are going to talk about the challenge I'm doing. If you have watched my live stream on YouTube, then you know I'm building a horror game and it's for Halloween, and I decided to do it in a challenge faction, something like it. English is not like my native language, but like in a challenge. I have 5 days to build a horror game that assembles a little bit of Halloween and it just needs to be spooky. And I've decided to build a game a little bit of the logics of Slender, and that's what I did as a main thing. So what you see now on your screen is where I'm building the landscape of the map. As you can see here, it's not really working as well as I would have wanted to, and for another reason I didn't know how to do it anymore. So first off, I had to watch a tutorial. You don't see it because of the speed up of the timing. So then I found out again how I had to do it with the static meshes and everything else. So that's what that's on the part that I'm doing right here, just to like make the center of the map and everything else. For the rest of the build here is just a lot of like just seeing what will look good and what will not, and everything else in between of the mesh painting and everything. Wow, it's been a long time that I did a video like this. As you can see, I'm now just looking what's the best part to do. And I think I made a mistake. I made a mistake here that I need to fix like in day 3 or day 4. So on the 30th. The reason why is the ray tracing and the nanites that are automatically working in Unreal Engine are giving me a little bit of a headache when I try to test out the game. At the end of the video you will see an example of that I tried to fix it with the nanite existence, and that's like 50-50. I tried 50-50, I fixed it, but like it's not completely fixed. But we will see if I can fix it completely at the end of the progress, because I really don't want a Slender version 1.0 that was released back in the day. That was really bad. At this point I'm really looking at some videos too to see how the terrain painting are, because that's like one of the most important things I think that makes the map right now how it is. It looks pretty decent though, but yeah, I'm not really happy yet, but it's something there. As you can see, I'm now just testing all the terrains that are given by me in the pack that I have. This game is completely built with free assets that I have downloaded from the Epic Marketplace. The game is built with Unreal Engine 5, 5.3.1 if I'm correct. It's the same version I'm building my main game on. And this is a good training thing for me to do and to see what I can do. As you can see, I have here a small little visual bug with a lot of stupid stuff. And if you are asking yourself on how do I paint this, I use a track pen. Is that the right thing to say? Like a pencil with a track pad. No screen, but just a track pad only. That's how I paint. How I technically did the whole terrain. Sometimes I put my mouse for the movement, because the movement is really shitty without the capability to move left and right or on certain ways. But yeah, for the map design itself though, because if you didn't watch the stream, you technically don't know what's happening here. I'm now building the path where you can walk or just help you to go to the very important places in the map to see the most environment stuff, or few buildings and everything else. The big green patch on the left top corner for now will be the place where I will place a cabin. At the end of the video, oh no, I cut that out, but I was looking already for a cabin that I could download for free, but there's no good cabin to be found, so I think I need to make that self in Blender. That's gonna be tomorrow evening stream that I'm gonna try to build the cabin, and I hope with a little bit of the technical visual powers of my girlfriend. That's not the right word that I'm saying, but like she's really good with like how stuff needs to be built and everything else. And she has a little bit of understanding of Blender too, so if I get stuck, she can help me there though too. As you can see, I'm trying now to make like the pots blend a little bit more to each other, and because of the game, there I was on my break, dinner break, so part 2 of the stream. I will stream every day in 2 parts, like daily. So in the beginning of the day and at the evening. I see sometimes my video software is a little bit buggy. So there goes my recording for this one though, but I'm not going to restart it. I don't know why this is happening. But what you can see now a little bit is that I'm placing the water part and everything else, and now I'm just making the terrain a little bit more as the terrain itself. And at the end you will see the reason why I did this, because you need to feel like you're walking in the wood and not like a how do you say it, a flat terrain. So if the flat terrain is there and you don't have any bumps or everything else as a Dutch wood, I know if you walk to a normal Dutch wood, you will have mountains and it will never be even. I think in every nature part. So that's what I tried here. And at the end of the video, you will see that it really looked good then. But yeah, that's I think technically yeah, almost part 1 of the today for the video. And I'm really bad at this though. I never thought I would be this bad at making YouTube videos, but Jesus, I'm already doing this for 15 years making YouTube videos and I've never had it so hard. But yeah, for the people that are new to the YouTube channels, and I guess that will be all, everybody that's almost watching, thank you for watching. Please press that subscribe button. If you like my work and you want to play this game, the game will be free on itch.io. The link will be in the description when version 1 will be released, and that's probably tomorrow with the first mechanics in it. And if you want to support me, you can go to Patreon to help me to support to make further content and make the games that I'm trying to make to go for real life to release. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video and a live stream every day. So press that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.